Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon from ACC Driving School. I'm here with the student. Say hi to the student, to the camera. All right. So we're at the Broward County DMV location. I can't say what it is, but if you know the areas and the DMVs, you will be able to recognize landmarks. All right. So going to ask you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channels, Sequence Sound System, if you're into reggae, dancehall sound system, exotic car culture if you're into cars. Check out my 4-8 12-hour traffic ticket classes on accdriverseducation.com. The 6-hour class that is required for teenagers are also on the website, and the 4-hour class that you need before you do your learner's permit is called the first time driver class. So the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket class, the 6 and the 4-hour class that you need for your driving before you take your written test. And if you need the third-party driving test, call me at 954-588-8075. All right, so we're at the DMV. We're gonna run through the driving test one last time. She's been practicing. So, madam, they're gonna ask you these questions. If you park facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left.
And what else do you do?
You put it in park. Pull up the handbrake. Turn off the car.
Okay. All right, so you hear that. You put the car in park, pull up your handbrake, turn off the ignition, right? Turn all the way left, put the car in park, pull up your parking brake, turn off the ignition. People are always asking me to,
Yeah.
they always ask, oh, what was the question again? So I've repeated it twice. She said it, then I repeated it. So no need to ask. Anyway, now the examiner will tell you to signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Okay, so they're checking the brake lights, the turn signal lights, the horn. They will not take you out in a car if any of those things are not working. Now they're going to ask you to turn the wheel all the way to the left. Go ahead, turn all the way left. They're checking your left front tire, turn all the way right. They're checking your right front tire. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. Turn all the way around again one more time so you can be straight. Right, no, right here. So 2 times to the middle from left or right. Now, once they tell you to turn the wheel all the way left and all the way right to check the tire, some examiners will come in and tell you to straighten the wheel, or they'll tell you to straighten the wheel before they come in. Some examiners will come into the car and just sit there, and if you don't remember to straighten the wheel, you will be in trouble, and they're not going to help you. Some of them will not, some of them will, depending on how they're feeling, right?
Okay.
So when they come in, if they don't, first of all, as soon as you're done turning the wheel left and right, straighten the wheel. That's your responsibility. So when they come into the car and tell you to reverse straight back, you shouldn't have to turn the wheel at all. Just look behind and roll straight back. Put the car in reverse, press the brake, put it in reverse, look behind and roll straight back. So you're going to keep the wheel straight, roll straight back until your mirror is past the end of the line. If the mirror is past the end of the line like that, stop. Now you're going to go, they're going to say reverse and go to the left. So you turn in the wheel all the way right. And you're looking behind you as you do this. Gently on the gas, very gently on the gas. Gently. A little bit more. Alright, that's good enough. Now put the car in drive. Alright, turn left, signal left, turn left. We're going to go to this stop sign down here and we're going to make a left turn. Turn the wheel. Straighten up in your right lane. Now we're going to press gently on the gas. You see how you're pressing and letting go? Don't do that. Just gently and gradually.
Okay.
Okay, complete stop. 1, 2, 3. You look in both ways here. Make sure there's no cars coming. And then you go gently into the right lane. You're making the left into the right lane. Gently on the gas. Don't let go. Just press gently and keep it gradually going. We're going down to the stop sign. We're going to make a left turn. So they say make a left, you signal left. If you don't signal, every time that you forget to signal, you will be losing 4 points. You don't want to lose points like that because you're allowed to get up to 30 negative points and still pass your driving test. Make sure you stop completely here, right?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead, make it left. Yeah, you're allowed to get up to 30 points. 31 points will fail you, so you know, if you don't signal once or twice, it's not going to fail you, but you don't want to get points for something as simple as not signaling, you know what I mean? So we're going to go down into this end here, we're going to make a left turn. You don't need to signal here, just go around the corner. It's just, you have no option but to go around the corner.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to make a right turn as soon as you pass this tree that's sticking out here. So you signal to the right. They'll tell you to make a right, so you make sure you signal. And when you go around this corner, you're going to stop, and then they're going to tell you to do the quick stop. So go around the corner gently and straighten up here. Must make sure you straighten up in your right lane and stop about here. So you make sure you're in the right lane like that, right? They're going to tell you to speed up to 20, do a sudden stop. Go ahead, speed up. And stop. Okay, now they're going to tell you to go straight back. So put it in reverse. Keep the wheel perfectly straight like that. Look behind you and roll straight back. No gas. Roll back until I tell you to stop. Again, make sure the wheel is straight here. Make sure you're not, turning the wheel at all. Look behind and roll straight back until they tell you to stop. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. And stop. Simple as that, right? You're in the lane. You're not over on the left side. You're not, into the parking space. That's good. Put it back in drive. We're going to go down to the end of this road here, and then we're going to make a left turn. Stay close to your right side because we're going to park in between those cones. Or those poles. Signal left. And then we're going to go down until your mirror is lined up with the pole. Up a little bit more. Alright, it's good. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Release your brake. Gently on the gas. Very gently. And straighten the wheel. Don't rush. Take your time. Nice and easy. And stop. Okay, that's good. Now put the car in reverse. Look behind, roll straight back. Just keep the wheel straight. Roll straight back until your mirror is past the cone. When your mirror is past the pole like that, you turn all the way to the right. All the way. And you're looking behind as you reverse. Make sure you're looking behind, because if you're reversing and looking forward, they're not going to like that. Go back until your mirror is past the middle, like that. That's good. Put it back in drive. Put it back in drive. Signal left. Turn left. Turn the wheel. And then straighten up on the right side. Straighten up close to the line on the right, like that. Stop here. Now we're going to do the 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. All the way. Gently on the gas. Gently, very gently. Yeah, like that. A little bit more. Alright. Put it in reverse. We're gonna roll all the way right. All the way right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. Gently on the gas. When your mirror is past the middle, keep going back. Right there. Okay, put it back in drive. Signal left again. Turn all the way left. All the way. Release your brake. And you're going to straighten up into the right lane. Gently on the gas, very gently. And straighten up in the right lane right here. Now we're going to make a left turn. Stop completely. No rush. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left. Take your time. You're making a left here, so you make sure you make a left into the right lane, right? Go ahead, check in, and then you're going to make an immediate left turn into the right lane, right here. Very important. You got to turn left into the right lane. You're not allowed to be on the left lane at all. So you make sure you turn right, but you're staying in your left lane. Stay right here, and then you're going to park. Go up some more. Line up your mirror at one of these lines. Go up some more. Alright, you passed that one. Go to the next one. A little bit more. Right there. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Release your brake. Gently on the gas. Go ahead, keep going. Slowly and stop. Okay, put the car in park. Alright, so how you think you did?
Pretty much well.
You did good.
I did good.
Yeah, this last one was pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright, so you see what she's doing. She's practicing, she's learning, she's doing well. Don't know when her test is gonna be, but it's gonna be soon. Alright, so yeah, that's that. So again, I'm gonna beg you guys. I'm done asking. I'm begging. I'm begging. Please subscribe to the channel. This channel is, this channel. I used to say it a lot. I stopped saying it, but this channel should have 100,000 plus subscribers by now. It's been doing so much for so many people for so long, and yet everyone is watching and talking about how good the channel is. But they're not subscribing. Puzzling to me. It's free to subscribe. There's nothing. It's costing you zero to subscribe. So please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my other channels also. ACC Driving School is this channel. Sequence Sound is my music channel, and Exotic Car Culture if you're a car lover. The 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes are on the website. The 6-hour class for beginning drivers and the 4-hour class. Beginning drivers under 18 have to do a 6-hour class. That's on the website. Everyone over 18 have to do a 4-hour class. That's called the first time driver class. It's also on the website. ACCDriverseducation.com. Third-party test is available. 954-588-8075. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.